2, 3.
We're good.
How y'all doing out there in YouTube land? Hey, this is a little video I'm gonna put together. I'm putting me a 12-volt pressure pump from my water bladder that we just got. You'll take a picture of that, Sharon? There's our water bladder right there. It's full. The water's heating up, which is nice. It's a beautiful sunny day out here, y'all. Man, is it nice. Hardly any wind. It's just perfect. It's about, what, 63 degrees, 64 degrees right now?
And that's a 60-gallon bladder.
Yep, 60-gallon water bladder.
Like a water bed.
Yeah, it's doing all right. But we got us a Shurflo pump. I got this pump, so y'all know about price. I checked on Amazon. This pump was like $99. But I got it at Walmart, same pump, for $69. So that was pretty cool. Took a couple days to get it, but it's been the same thing with Amazon, just to let you know, if you're looking for a pump. But it's 12 volts, and it's 7.5 amps, and 55 PSI. So, and it's pressure switch activated and all that. So I'm gonna put it up here portable. I'm gonna get my power back here now, my 12-volt power to it. I got my heavy duty fuse connect. I'll be taking this right off the battery because you want to be close to your load, where your load's coming from. On the battery side, I'll put a fuse in this. I'm also going to have a waterproof switch back here, so I can do a plug-in connect. So if it's pouring down rain, I ain't got to worry about coming out and sheltering the pump or anything. And the pump, when I get ready to put it in the box, I'm going to put it in like a little tackle box, a little plastic box. I'll show you how to do all that later on. But right now, we just want to get it up and running so we can utilize it, because there's no rain here. We're in the desert. It does rain though, but not here soon.
Y'all see these blue skies? Look how blue that sky is. Awesome.
So I couldn't buy a what I call a battery terminal connector, multi-connector. They don't have them here. I've looked around. I don't know where to order them from. I used to buy them back home in Georgia, Florida. They sold them at the different auto parts stores. But anyway, I'll show you where I'm gonna hook this thing up once I get this thing lugged up. Here's my little lug. You know, it's kind of heavy duty for this. Here's my wire. I got to run this along the chassis. It's heavy duty. It's number, I think it's 1012. Yeah, it's 1012. Should handle the current with no problem. As y'all know, with DC, you got a lot of current. The heat. So I'm gonna hook it up right here.
Let me come around this way.
I'm gonna put it on this positive post right here. And it'll sit right there, then I'll put the nut back on it. And this is the only thing I have added to this. It should be fine right there on that post. Everything fits like it's supposed to. And sometimes people will get these, they'll be too small and they try to drill them out. And you're breaking the integrity. Buy the proper size and the proper amperage rating. Wait, what did I say? Weighting? Rating, the proper amperage. But I got these at the parts store yesterday. So everything should come together, and I'm gonna run the wire from the battery here to the back. Then I'll insulate it. I got insulating, sheathing, stuff for chafing. And the cable will be protected, and it'll be all waterproof, and it'll be all safe. No fires. We don't like that. But anyway, that's kind of what's going on today. And you got the gist of it, so when I get kind of done to that part, then we'll show you some more. This is my fuse connect. It'll be coming off the battery up there. I'm fixing to lug this. I'm gonna lug this and put it on here. Then I've got a 10 amp fuse that goes here. That's a little over what it's rated for the pump, but it's not beyond. It's within the percentage realm, so it should be okay. 10 amp fuse goes right in here. But I won't fuse it until I'm all done. Don't put the fuse in it, because you'll be hot trying to work on the end of the wire.
Oh, gotcha.
You leave the fuse, it's like the disconnect, like the switch.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, Mr. Childers, what you up to?
I got my pump's here. There's my pump. I got to hook up, make me a little harness to, I have the wires run back from the battery to the back of the truck here, down inside the wheel well. Actually, I'm coming across the wheel well. I'm gonna make this so that I can go back there. I gotta hook this here, then I will run it back and hook it underneath. And I got the black wire is gonna be my ground wire for the ground side of the pump. Red wire is a hot wire, and I have that fused up front by the battery. show you that too as I get things done. Just a little bit of time here. This is a 55 psi. What's the name of this pump? Shurflo pump, 12 volt, 7.5 amps. So it'll keep pressure. It'll keep pressure on the water for the house using the truck batteries. Got those two big old 850, 900 cranking amp, 12 volt batteries. Come out right there, and I'll get me a grommet to go around that, a protector to go in this hole around here, y'all. So it'll protect. The wiring. All right, so this is going to come out here like this and be to the pump. This part.
This is going down under the truck?
Mm-hmm. If I'm lucky.
Okay. Let's hope he's lucky.
See, got my wire run through there. So I can hook this, not to this, but to this. This has a disconnect. So let me cut this into there. Voila! That's our plug for disconnect.
Oh, sweet.
Somewhat waterproof, but I'll put another thing on here. I'm gonna change this out later. It's just kind of hard to get the type of switches and stuff I want till I get. I'm gonna be putting this in a little box, so it's protected. Okay, we'll hook this up and we'll show you what that's all about. Lily?
It's okay, Lily, it's just me. It's okay.
Look at there.
Perfect. Help from the home front. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Appreciate
The best
it, man.
part of RVing is when people help you out.
That's right.
Thank you, Daryl.
Sweet.
It's great, man.
You got fastener?
Yeah, I got some wood screws I'll put in there. Hey, look at that. It's gonna line up just right.
Sweet.
Put that right in the middle there. Run that wire in there. We are in business. Well, this end of it. That'll be part of it. Right there. Anytime you do connections on connectors, give you a pointer here. You're using these crimpers. You always want to do a little pull, a little tug test. Make sure it's together good. Okay, that's all you got to do. And sometimes you need to, you can put your meter on there and ring it out. I won't do that. I'll just put juice to it and see if I got 12 volts. But either way, that's the way you do it. Then I'll take this, see how I got it taped back here. I'll take this on out. It'll be like a little harness.
Sweet.
Okay, let's take that and we'll take a break.
Go ahead.
Okay. From yesterday, I've got my tank. Remember I showed you all the wiring and stuff that I was doing for this. I got my pigtail here for my batteries up front. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Here's my pump, my Shurflo 55 psi. I had to go into town and get me some Tygon, I call it Tygon tubing, so I can hook up my bladder here. I put clamps on. This is 1/2-inch Tygon tubing. Had to get 1/2-inch fittings to go on here. To regular 5/8 fittings for the hookup. So now I got this. Is this tight? Nope, didn't get that one tight. Is that one tight? Yeah, it was tight. I put me a little board on here to hold this pump. So this should work fairly good once I let some water. So I'm gonna let some water go. Everything's tight. I double check my connections. I don't put no power or nothing until I see if I got leaks or not. But the pump says it's self-priming, so we're gonna do that. I think. Well, no water yet. Let me open this up and see if water comes out.
Is the pump on?
No, the pump's not on. I figured it might let some air in there, but evidently not. Ooh,
I think you got to have it on.
guess I do. Well, y'all, I'll be right back. You want to come around here and shoot this? I'll show you how I fuse this thing. I put me a 10-amp fuse in line. Something you always put something in, you want to fuse it. So I hooked it to my positive post here. There's my connector for my fuse right there. As you can see, right now there's no fuse in there because this is a whole new system, and I fused it up and tested the power last night. I have power back there. So let me get the fuse. I got a 10-amp fuse here. Put that in.
10-amp fuse, y'all.
Yeah, 10-amp. This is a big pump. The other pump only took a 5-amp. This is a bigger pump. Well, this pump's producing 55 psi. It's got a little. It's a waterproof connector. And I have it on my battery post right here with a connector. And this cable runs back, and I have it in a shield chafing tube, anti-chafing tube. Little plastic tubes, you can buy them.
Okay.
So we have power. Okay.
Oh, look! How cool! Oh, it's quiet too. So do I need to go in the house and make sure I don't have any water on?
Stop. Well, I got water off right here.
Oh, you got the water off right there.
I'm preventing it from getting into the house.
Okay. Sweet!
We have water, folks.
Woohoo! All right!
Voila!
Yay! All right. Oh
Shut
man, yeah, it shut off. That is awesome. Nice. So it only comes on when we turn on the water?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome too.
You gonna go in the house and
Yes, I will.
that's it. We have water.
Woohoo!
PSI. Now we just gotta get a generator big enough to run the hot water tank.
Right, that's next.
Yeah, that's coming.
Okay. Ooh, now that's awesome. Oh, that'll be a nice shower.
Out right now.
All right, let's see the shower, folks. Let's see the shower.
You want me to cut the generator on?
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's coming out of the shower here.
Hold on. Nice. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Ooh, nice shower. Sweet.